this is Dr. Mike Ellison for Your Mind Matters. Many times, psychotherapists talk about the signs of clinical depression, and yet many people who aren't mental health professionals don't know what those signs of clinical depression are. Invented by a psychiatry resident some years ago, there's a handy way to remember the symptoms of depression, and it goes by the name of a little creature named Siggy Caps. So what I teach my students is SIG, S-I-G. Well, the first S stands for sleep, disturbances of sleep, too much or too little. I stands for interest, the things that you are interested in that you used to do. Are you still interested in doing those things, or maybe not so much? And G stands for guilt. Many of us are plagued by guilt for things we either did or things we didn't do, and we wish that we could have changed all of that. SIG. E stands for energy. Are we able to sustain our energy, get up and go? Or do we find ourselves laying around in bed and unable to get up and go to work, go to school? And CAPS, C-A-P-S. C stands for concentration. Many people with depression find it very difficult to concentrate, rereading the same paragraph over and over again and not being able to comprehend it. A stands for appetites. Many people with depression tell me that they eat everything that they can find, or they can't eat at all. The taste of food is horrible. These changes in normal appetite are worth looking for. The P stands for a kind of sophisticated idea called psychomotor activity. That means, do you kind of have the fidgets and you're agitated, or are you like that little blue donkey Eeyore and you have a really hard time just walking across the floor? The last S is very important. Suicide. Suicidal thinking, suicidal planning are really important and sometimes lethal parts of clinical depression. All of these 8 ideas need to be discussed with your friends, your family, your mental health provider, your physician, anyone who is interested in your health and your mental health in particular can learn these symptoms, and you and your family can learn to have better mental health if you know what these 8 symptoms are and how important they are to get treatment and help. So get help if these are parts of your life. For Your Mind Matters, this is Dr. Mike Ellison. See you next time.